The Diagnostics menu of the Crestron Home Setup app is a useful tool to help diagnose any potential issues in your system. It can also be used to view the status of multiple devices and features. First, the Devices menu allows you to view the devices that have been added to any of the rooms. If we go to Living Room, we can see two dimmers. One of them is online and wireless, as we can see with the wireless bar symbol here. The other is offline, as noted by the X symbol. This means the device is not communicating with the system. In our case, it is because we unplugged it. If you select a device, many devices have a gear icon that will access the device menu. What is in here will vary depending on the specific device. Here we can see the device name in the system, the model serial, RFID, and most importantly, status. This device is online, meaning it is communicating with and controlled by the Crestron Home system. If we navigate to Gateways and Processors, we can configure the gateway that we have added to our system. We can do various things here, but we can see that it is online, that it is using wireless channel 15, what ID it is using to communicate with the Crestron Home processor, and other general information. Next, we will look at the internal CrestNet gateway that is built into every Crestron Home processor. If we go to Devices, we can see all CrestNet devices attached to the system. In this example, we just have an occupancy sensor that has not yet been added to one of the rooms. This means it is online, but not assigned a room yet, and therefore is not technically part of the system yet. The Services tab will show if you are registered and connected to the Crestron Cloud Relay. We can see the devices and users that are connected to the system. Note that you will need to activate this feature for it to work. The Logs menu will give you general logs about what is happening in your system. If we navigate to December 31st, we can see that various things occurred, such as controlling the lights on the Christmas tree and turning some display lights on and off. This has been a quick overview of the Crestron Home Setup App Diagnostics page. Consult help.crestron.com for additional information on any of the features shown.